My dog is inspecting the package to make sure it's okay to open. He's so cute. It's okay? It's okay. Okay, I just got this Avylo dehumidifier. It's a small one. It's probably good for a bedroom. And so I'm going to open it up and we'll take a look. Okay, I brought it out of the box and it's covered in the bubble wrap. And it comes with a little instruction book manual. And you'll have to excuse the noise if you can hear my air conditioner. Anyways, usually air conditioners do a pretty good job at dehumidifying a home, apartment, whatever. But the one I got surprisingly does not have a dehumidifier. At least it doesn't say so in the instructions or the box. So it does get humid in here. But the humidity has been really high in the last several days. I think about a week or whatever. It's been really humid and hot out there. So, you know, Minnesota weather, what can you say? But you know me, I like to show what I bought. Sometimes I'll put stuff on my channel and review it or look at it, open it up, you know. So let's take a look. I'll get this bubble wrap off. Okay. It's pretty sharp looking. It's nice looking. It's not big. This is definitely a small one. The adapter is inside. Warning, the adapter is inside. So we'll pull this out. Hang on, I need both hands. Okay. It's got this top to it, lid. Okay. And the adapter is right there. And then we'll take out this foam stuff, because that's where it's going to all collect the water. From the air. So okay, let's check it out. Turn it around. I think there must be this must be some kind of sort of a built-in filter type of thing. The adapter would go there. So it looks like it could go, you know, just a small bedroom, you know, 12 by 12 or something. So we'll see how it sounds and everything. Well, I'm going to put it in this living room for now. Whoops. Till I can figure out where to put it in my bedroom. I've got so many different appliances. Even in here, in the living room, in the kitchen, I've got so many appliances. Air fryers and all kinds of stuff. But you can see at least how this sounds. Hang on. Looking at the manual quickly. Dear customers. Okay. Your support means the world to us. We hope you enjoy our product as much as we did creating it. Okay. It gives you the parts that that you should have included. What not to do, like don't put stuff on top of it. Got to keep it away 4 inches from the walls. Got to empty the tray, of course. Now this back thing that I showed is to be rinsed with, rinse the air inlet with water, dry with a rag, and then replace, and then troubleshooting. That gives us safety instructions. Oh, can't turn the page. Oh, I think you can increase this warranty. It says default 2-year warranty, and then you could extend it to 5 years. It says, comes with this 5-year warranty if you want to extend it. So now I want to see what the sound is. Okay, I turned it on. The button is up here, and it also has lights to it. Changes colors. Green, purplish, pink, kind of green. I don't know if you can see that. Looks like blue on there, but purplish. It's got lights, and you can control that by turning it off. That's pretty neat. So it could be like a night light or whatever. Let's see. Hold it at one color or change it or turn it off. That's cool. Now, I can't hear it at all. What I hear is my air conditioner. I can't hear hardly this at all. It sounds like a really small little fan. It's not really terribly noticeable at all. Okay, so that is my review so far. I don't know how long it's going to take to collect water in there. Every place is going to be different. If you live in the swamp, I bet it wouldn't take much time at all. But it looks pretty easy to maintain.